This isn't your typical motorcycle. This is Yezdi attitude on full display. Bold, unbothered and absolutely born out of line. This isn't for the ones who blend in or fall in line. Meet the all-new Yezdi Roadster. This isn't a design that tries to fit in. It is built to stand out. Bold, flowy lines meets a muscular stance. It gets low, fat rear fenders, an integrated hugger. All of that results in a silhouette that owns the road. And the new rider and pillion seats, they are more sculpted, more comfortable and more Yezdi. It gets a factory-fitted modular setup which is as versatile as you. Riding solo, strip it down. Riding with a pillion, plug and play. Handlebar or headlight cowl. Switch it up straight from the factory. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a blank canvas for riders who were never meant to stay in line. Underneath the beautiful design, pure power. At its core, it gets a proven 334cc Alpha 2 engine. Liquid cooled, torque rich and built for both weekday traffic as well as weekend escapes. 29.1 PS of power, 29.6 Newton meters of torque. It gives you that punch when you want it and also easy going when you just want to cruise. It gets a 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch that keeps it light at the lever and calm under pressure. This is control made intuitive. No drama, just clean, confident control. Comfort isn't a bonus here, it's built in. The suspension setup is engineered to take on the city, the bad roads and the detours without breaking a sweat. And the upright riding posture, it gives you that kind of comfort that keeps you going longer without any fatigue. Safety, of course, that's sorted. A 320mm disc in the front, a 240mm unit in the rear. That is sharp, precision braking. And with dual channel ABS, you are in control no matter what the road throws your way. 5 new colors, each one bold, deliberate and made to be noticed. From the stealth of shadow black to the sharpness of shark skin blue, the wild spirit of blood rush maroon and the clean defiance of savage green and the quiet aggression of smoke grey. These aren't just paint jobs, they are statements. And just like its colors, the Roadster is made for personal expression. Switch up the handlebar, ride solo or ride 2 up. No aftermarket hats needed. It's all built in from the factory for the non-conformist. This isn't just out of line, this redefines the line. With a proven Alpha 2 engine, 4-year 50,000 km warranty which can be extended up to 6 years. This is a ride you can count on no matter how far out of line you go. This isn't a tweak, it's a brand new machine built with the same rebellious DNA that made Yezdi a legend. It carries the Yezdi attitude in its stance, sound and soul. This is not a motorcycle for the ones who ride with the herd, but for the ones who ride their own way. This is the new Yezdi Roadster and it is born out of line.